I'm Nahida, computer science teacher from Delhi Public School, Srinagar. In this video, we will talk about operating system and files. So let us go ahead with our first topic, that is operating system. OS stands for operating system. Operating system is a system software. Means it is a software which controls all the activities of a computer. In simple words, we can say operating system is a chief program that manages the hardware as well as software. It has control of everything, whether it's your input device, output device, memory, or process. It acts as a link between hardware and software, and it makes sure that both the hardware and software interact correctly. Some examples of operating system are Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. Now let us move ahead with our second topic, that is file. A file is an item that contains information. You can think of this file as a container that contains information. Now this information can be in any form. It can be in the form of text, it can be in the form of picture, it can be in the form of songs, recordings, and so on. Now, if we have a file and it contains information in the form of text, then we say it is a text file. If our file contains information in the form of picture, then we say it's an image. And if our file contains recordings or songs, then we say it is an audio file. Similarly, if our file contains movies, then we say it is a video file. We are having different types of files. We are having text file, audio file, video file. So the information in these different types of files is organized in different ways. Information in text file is organized in one way, information in video file is organized in some other way. So the way the information is organized in a file is called as file format. I repeat again, the way the information is organized in a file is called as file format. Now, associated with this file is file name. For example, school.docs. File name has two parts, primary name and file extension. The primary name and the file name is separated by a dot or a period. Primary name is the name that we give to our file. For example, I create a file in MS Word and then I give name to it and save it. The name that you give to your file is called as a primary name. But students, remember that you cannot use all these characters in your file name. You are not supposed to use /, /, question mark, colon, greater than, and less than in your file name. Now, file extension. File extension depicts two things. First is what sort of data is stored in the file and which program should open it. Students, for example, I'm having a file with the extension .wmv. Once I will encounter this extension, automatically it will come in my mind that yes, it is a video file. Then I will think of the software which will open this file. This means file extension clears two things. First is what type of file it is, and second is which software is going to open this file. Now let us move ahead with our next topic, that is searching files. Let us see how to search files. Here's our search box. It helps us to search our files quickly. It searches the files in our computer and place it in front of us. And then we are able to access these files quickly. There's a shortcut to open this search box, and that is Windows plus S. S for school. So here's our search box. Now if you want to search a Word file but you don't remember its name, then you will simply type star dot docs. This means you are asking your computer to search all the files with the extension .docx. You can see all the listed files are with the extension .docx. But have you noticed the other thing? That all these files are Word files. This means with this command, your computer has searched for all the Word files that are present in your computer. This is because .docx is the extension of Word file. Similarly, you can search for other files. For example, I want to search for a PPT but I don't remember its name. So I will go ahead with the same command star.pptx. So my computer will search all the PPTs in my computer and will place it here. So students, search box helps us to search our files quickly. That's all for today. Thank you.